Let's see how to install a theme to your brand new WordPress website. So first of all, go to your website. As you can see, this is my demo website. And then first of all, you need to go on the control panel of this website. And if you input /wp admin, then you will see the login menu. And you need to input your user and password and then hit the login button, and then this is the dashboard of WordPress website. And now we need to go to the appearance and then theme, and then you can see a button which is add new theme. Just click on that and you can see a button called upload theme. This one is for if you have any theme that you already buy from another marketplace, and you can see a lot of free theme are already here. So if you want, you can easily use that. Just simply install and then activate it. But this will actually have a lot of limitation. Like if you use the free theme, your website, you won't be able to customize with your own choice always. So that's why always better and most professionalism is buy a new theme. So I already bought a new theme, so I just need to publish that. So if I hit the upload theme, then you can see a new window which is you can see if you have a theme in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So we need to choose the theme file which is WinRAR or zip file. Just select that and hit the install button, and it will take some time because this theme file is not too small, so that's why it's depend on the website speed and the internet speed also. So I think it will need less than 1 minute, so couple of second it will take. You can see it's uploading. So when you see it on the tab, you can see it's scrolling the circle, so that's mean it's uploading. After few seconds you can see install done, and we need to activate that. So if I hit the activate button, then our theme will activate. So if you see the current view of this website, which is nothing because it's actually a avatar theme and we didn't do anything. So first of all we need to do a registration, and then we need the pre-built website if you want. So this is actually what that today I wanted to show you how to install a theme. So one more thing that I want to show you how you can install the free theme. So if I go on the theme again, and if I hit the add new, and then you will be able to see the bunch of new theme on there, and you can see my current website look is like this. And if I want to add the theme like Astro, I want to add it. So if I click on activate, you can see it's installed, and then hit the activate button. And it's also need some templates. It's also have some pre-built template. First of all we can check our current website look. So if I hit the reload button, you can see the website is reloading, and you can see when it will reload, we will see the new look of our website. So you can see the new theme is activated. Please visit the site. and this is the reloaded version of our website. So if we can reload again, and you can see it's now look like this, because we didn't customize anything, so that's why it's showing like this. So if I hit the customization button, you can see it's opening on the customize mode. If you think this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, because it helps me to continue working on this channel. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.